Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are checking my unit at Vertex Central and seeing what I'm doing for Casa Stella Cebu. So let's go! La différence shiny.
So first, the test of ultraviolet light. I have here a cardboard. So this cardboard has a hidden words. So then this is the UV light. So the cardboard, you cannot see without the UV light what is hidden. So if ever you're gonna put the UV light, as you can see, you're gonna read this one, the damaging ultraviolet radiation. So if then also I have here the tint of
No,
3M.
tint, I
What?
cannot have a tint. It has to be clear.
Yes, for the demo. So we have here the tint of other brand, which is other company for this kind of film. Then this is our tint, which is Clearview 7080. This is our clear tint. So if you're gonna see the difference of these two tints, I'm gonna show you that. For comparing, this is the tint of 3M and this is our tint Clearview 7080. So if you're gonna put ultraviolet light, as you can see, our tint will gonna block the UV light. Unlike this tint from the UM, as you can see that you still can read the hidden words. So meaning they are claiming that they are 99%. So this photo, let's consider that this is our eyes. So because ultraviolet light can cause damage into our eyes. It can cause cataract. So if you're always exposed at the sunlight, so it can damage our eyes. And then comparing again these two tints, this is the 3M and this is our nanotech. So as you can see, 99% ultraviolet rejection. Unlike in 3M that still red eyes can still affect the eyes of the person. A glass that installed our tints. So we have here clear glass. It serves that without tint. Edge of heat. So let's on this one. So as you can see, without, if you really expose at the sunlight, the heat will be 308%. So if ever you are indoors, so let's put this one. Let's put this. It will serve this area as indoor and this is outdoor. So let's see if clear glass is already have a percentage of heat rejection. So without glass, you can feel 314% heat. So with glass, clear glass only without tint. So
50.
from 316 down to 250. Why? Because this glass is already have heat rejection, but 10 to 15% only. Unlike with tints. So we have here, this is the cheapest one. See, HBC99, made in Korea.
But I don't want green.
Yeah. The appearance is greenish.
Yeah, I cannot have greenish.
Okay.
Yeah, you can show.
Okay, so this is 96% heat rejection. Why this is the cheapest one? Because every year the heat rejection of this film will be less than 3 to 5%. So if for now this is 96% heat rejection, every year it will be less than 3 to 5% until the tint will reach the percentage limit of 80% heat rejection. So for now, let's try the 96% heat rejection on this one. So from 315 down to 50%, because this serves 96% heat rejection. This serves as 89% heat rejection. So from 318 down to 75% heat rejection, because 89% is heat rejection. So from 319 down to 50%,
Okay, that's good.
because 96% heat rejection.
Before, you did not claim it,
Yeah.
but now you think it's nice.
Hello.
Weeks or 2 weeks is the maximum.
Not me necessarily.